Hey, how's everyone today? It's been a little while since I had two British locomotives going together. So here, the green locomotive, we have Blue Peter, A1 class, and then we got Tornado in the blue livery, ripping by, which is an A2 class. Hopefully, I got the names correct because I'm still getting used to the different models of British locomotives. Oh, yes, and these are both Bachmann branch line, and they are DC, and they are DCC ready. Both actually Tornado here in blue, a 21 pin decoder, and Blue Peter, the green one. It is an older 8 pin, but I'll get to that eventually. But I figure we'll just enjoy them going around the track a little bit. And today's livery, I think Blue Peter is blue, but my Blue Peter happens to be green. And my Tornado is the color it is today is green, but I got the blue one. See if I can get it a little closer. Now, Tornado is actually slightly larger than Blue Peter. You can definitely tell if I had them side by side, stopped next to each other. Yeah, they're slowing down up the hill a little bit. A little more speed. Yeah, I got a slight warp in the back of my layout table back there, so it kind of dips down and dips up, and I have not had time or devised a half decent plan to fix it, unfortunately. But I do got a couple ideas. The dip is more of a problem with the analog locomotives, but any of my DCC locomotives, the dip doesn't bother them. Like, they don't lose any momentum at all. It's just the analog, they'll lose momentum. Here, I'll bring Tornado and Blue Peter to a stop. Man, I love that blue livery. That's so awesome. I love the green one too. I like all the colors. See if we can get a shot of Blue Peter here. There he is. Awesome locomotives. And the detail on these Bachmans are really nice too. Lots and lots of separately applied details, and lots of separately applied details I got to add on myself too that came with them. And lots of interior detail in the cab too. It was really impressive. Alright, I'll end this video for now. Like and subscribe if you wish, and I'll have another one going soon. Everyone take care. Have a great one.